Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kelly. So we are headed to North Carolina again, but this time with a clovis. We are just waiting for our flight right now. We arrived 2 hours early, so we are way early. I think I'm gonna get some work done. Hey baby, say hi. So this is Boo's outfit. I love this two-piece set. Perfect. Oh, see that ass. So I was getting hungry and I decided to get me some chinois food, and you already know. Hi guys, so we arrived in our hotel room. We literally arrived at Charlotte at 11:30, and now is I think past 12, but we have to pass and get our car and then check into the hotels. Anyway, I need to go to bed because I am exhausted, so good night. Good morning guys. So we'll be heading out today to actually go see some apartments. As you guys know, I've been talking about us moving to Charlotte for a while. I'm trying to find like affordable ones, so we probably are not going to see any ones in like Uptown, anything like that, because Uptown you'll be looking at like the mid 1,000s to like 3,000s or even 4,000. I mean, depending on what you want to get, like a 1-bedroom, a 2-bedroom, a studio. It all depends. Also, I wanted to show you guys this week I got from Nadula. I think that's what it's called, the Nadula store, but I got it on Amazon because I wanted like fast delivery. It's a headband wig and I'm hoping it's nice. This is how it looks like off the package. It came with a wig cap and then it also came with like 2 headbands. I am not crazy about the colors, but I'm gonna try it. We are going to wear this wig right now. I don't even know if I'm gonna do makeup or anything like that. Like all my lashes are out guys, all of them. They literally stayed in for like 2 weeks and then it's out. This was my first time putting on singles. Is that what's supposed to happen? And it's supposed to start falling off like the same day and then last just 2 weeks. Got it. Where are we? Okay, it has like 3 combs, 2 at the side, so I guess you leave a little bit of hair like that. So this is how the hair looks like. I don't think it looks too bad, but it's shedding like a ton, so I'm kind of like I wish I could lay my edges. My hair, it don't move. Outfit of the day, got my outer sneakers, my short t-shirt from Ross Dress for Less. By the way, boo-hoo, you need to sign my babe up. He can model for you. Baby, give me a model pose. So this was the first apartment we saw. I was absolutely in love with it once I saw it. It does have a very distinct gym and yoga studio for you to use. The community building was absolutely gorgeous. They had a pool, they had a grilling area, and they also had some fun stuff outside. My one problem with this community was because their bedrooms on the 2nd and 3rd floor come with carpet in the living area and in the rooms, unlike those on the 1st floor that are all wood. So I was kind of looking for something with wood, but I don't think, from what I saw from all the other apartments, it looks like that's something very common, unless you want to go to like the high-rise areas. But the neighborhood was absolutely perfect. It was a new community, so it was very, very clean. For this apartment, the one bedrooms start off at 1100 to 1500 to 1600, and the two bedrooms start up from 1500s to the 2000s. They do have a couple of three bedrooms, but they don't have a lot of it. So the second apartment, I felt more related to this ones because it's something I am used to in Indiana, but the only problem with this one was, first of all, their community building was under construction, well, reconstruction, so we couldn't see it, so I couldn't tell if they had some of the amenities I'm looking at. And then they had a really good price range. Their one bedrooms ranged from 1,000 to the high 1300s. Two bedrooms range from mid 1300s to high 1600s, and three bedrooms started off at 1700 to about 2000s. Sunlight was only in a couple of apartments just because they have a lot of trees. The apartment is very, very spacious, if that is it. They have a lot of space. Their one bedroom, the inner closet, well, the walk-in closet has a lot of space. Then they have their second units, the second floor units have a basement level, which is like a garage that is so much storage. I had to go back and check it out later on once I was done looking at the rest of the apartment. And this is it. It has like this crazy amount of storage, and you can do so much with it. So this is one of the apartments we had decided on once we looked at it. We were just so much in love with this apartment. One bedroom ranges from high 1100s to mid 1400s. Two bedrooms from 1300s to 1600s, and three bedrooms from 1700, I think, to like 2000s. They had a really good gym, the really good yoga studio that you will not have to go pay any membership in any other gyms. Their one and two bedrooms really differed. I think I preferred the two bedrooms than the one bedroom just because of the storage unit. Like they had their pantry together with the gas or electricity, or I don't know, something. And then the two bedroom just had more space, and I loved it more. I loved it better. It had really great lighting because it had windows. The storage was okay. This fourth apartment was like away from everything. It was also the last apartment we're touring for the day. We're so over it, and the drive to this place was not fun at all. So I wasn't already feeling the apartment from the very get-go. But the apartment does have good amenities. It's just far away from everything location-wise. They have very great lighting. They have awesome storage, lots and lots of storage. They have an open concept kitchen, which everybody kind of likes. This was a two bedroom, two bath that we looked at because that was all they had to show. However, this apartment complex doesn't have anything open at the moment, like everything is gone. So yeah. This Chick-fil-A spicy chicken sandwich is forever going to. First time holding a gun, and this experience was awesome. I really enjoyed every single aspect of it. Our view from our hotel room is not really bad. Like, you guys see, we're uptown. We are at the Hyatt Place, uptown Charlotte. So it kind of has a pretty good view. We did pretty much a lot today and I'm exhausted. So even if we don't go out for a walk, I'll be very contented with just taking a sleep. Honestly, I need to sleep. I'm exhausted. I'm not gonna lie, I'm exhausted. But I'll try. I'll still try to go.
Yeah, we can get.
It's so pretty. The waterfalls. This is such a vibe. This is a perfect place to get engaged, guys. Tell your mans. Tell them to come engage you right here in that center, right here. It's so perfect. I love it. That is a vibe. Got me some omelet, grapes, and toast, and then some mimosa and some water. What's up, guys? Oh my god, I haven't filmed the whole of today and I feel so bad about it. I am back home. We had left in the morning to go see a couple more apartments and brunch, and I was so sleepy, so we came back home. I had to pass get me some coffee so I could do some work because I have to finish a video I have to post tomorrow, and then rest a little bit, and then we have to go out for dinner. We are flying back tomorrow, so I'll probably go see my little nieces. My outfit today was actually very cute, and I paired it with some white sneakers, and yes, peace. So we were so lazy to go out because, you know, once you're in the room it's just too difficult to go out, but we ordered dinner from this place called Sava, C-A-V-A, and got a rice bowl with some pita and some hummus. It really tastes good. I'm not gonna lie. So we are done with North Carolina. We're heading back, and it was a very fruitful journey. We did all what we had to do during this trip. Just gonna stop parking because we have barely 2 more months to move out. Thanks for coming along with me throughout my stay. I wish I went out more, but sometimes you're just like exhausted and just want to sleep. And that's what happened yesterday. We actually did have plans, and yeah. But do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Peace.